Yeah, it is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is belong of Buddy Among, and he asked me to replace the new battery. Yes, this is the best battery, and we use the razor for open, and we had the tweezers, and we use other two screwdriver. This one for inside, and this one for button, and this is the alcohol water. Then now we ready screw out the two screw button. Then we need the razor for open, and this it has two thread, one thread for LCD and another thread for remove. Please don't confuse the thread. If you confuse the thread, it will destroy the LCD. Then now I use a microscope for make sure it is safety, like this. Yes, we fully insert the razor, and then we pull out like this. Yes, this won't ever repair. It is easy to take off the LCD. It is a original, very difficult to remove the LCD. Someone remove the waterproof by Nam. Oh, none by none. Yeah, there is the battery. Now we need to remove some screw. This is the screw for cover the battery connector. For iPhone 11 Pro Max, it has two battery cable. One cable for working with the motherboard, and other cable for charge. Yes, this is the cable for charge. It has 4 screws. Yeah, the tweezers. Remove something, gently remove. Yes. And this is the battery connector. We no need to use the metal, it will destroy. So we use our fingernail, just like this, or we have any plastic tool for remove in safe mode. And this also, it has a voltage on it, so careful. And wow, it don't have a glue. I always told my trainee, please don't use the glue like this. This is the glue for stick the LCD or Android. And Android also, please don't use this glue. This glue, it is only temporary. For long lasting, it not work. បាទបងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីយើងកុំប្រើកាវបិទអេក្រង់នេះខ្ញុំតែងតែនិយាយម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតបងប្អូនឃើញនេះគេប្រើកាវបិទអេក្រង់ហើយបងប្អូនឃើញខ្ញុំលើកថ្មមិញវាមកខ្លួនវាបដ វាអត់បានជាប់ទេពួកអាកាវបិទអេក្រង់ហើយវារឹងអញ្ចឹងដល់រឹងអញ្ចឹងពេលដែលថ្មវាសកត់ទៅវាធ្វើឲ្យខូចថ្មទៀតខូចគុណភាពថ្មទៀតអញ្ចឹងកុំខ្ជិលយើងប្រើ OCA ឬក៏កាវរបស់វាតែម្ដងបាទ ហើយពួកម៉ាកនេះវាមានកាវរបស់វាតែពេលដែលយើងបកផ្សេងអីចឹងទៅដូចថាថ្មយើងទិញអាថ្មតម្លៃធូរថ្លៃគេអត់ដាក់នឹងឲ្យទេបងប្អូនជួនកាលអាតម្លៃធូរហ្នឹងមិនមានគុណភាពថ្មទេអាតម្លៃធូរហ្នឹងដូចតែគេកាត់បន្ថយពួកចឹងណានេះយើងប្រើកាវចឹងកាវចេះទោះបីវារបូតហើយវាធ្លាក់មកវិញវាចាប់យកទៀត ប bà chẳng anh ấy dừng recommend ở bóng ôn pra OCA hay năng cao original cùng pra cao bật ecran khắp hôm niเป็นแบตเตอรี่ของมันมีกาวเสร็จแล้วครับงั้นเราก็ต้องมาใช้กาวของมันไม่ต้องใช้กาวสำหรับติดกระจกหรือติดหน้าจอครับมันจะทำลายแบตเตอรี่นี่ครับเราก็ต้องมาแบนมันแบบนี้ครับบอสไทยทำไมครับพอสะอาดบอกพอสะอาดพอสังโยกนึกต้องโยกให้เด็กบอกเลยไหมแบบคนจึงตรวจดักแบบนี้ yes we need to install like this and be careful with the cable make it comfortable. This is the sticker and then we need to bend the cable in the properly. Wow, no screw. Watch. Is the motherboard flexible? Why?ខ្សែនេះយើងត្រូវតម្រូវវាឲ្យត្រឹមត្រូវបងប្អូនវាមានអាចឲ្យយើងបត់បានយើងបត់តម្រង់រហូតទៅដល់ស្នងវាត្រូវបាទតោះនេះតោះអានេះមិនក៏អត់ធ្លាក់ត្រូវអត់ធ្លាក់ចូលចឹង Yes อันนี้យើងតម្រង់សម្រាប់អ្នកក្រោយផងបងប្អូនដូចថាយើងពេលដែលយើងតម្រង់ត្រូវអ្នកក្រោយថ្ងៃក្រោយស្រួលហើយបងប្អូនមើលដូចថាវារឿងថលមិនទេមិនសិនវានេះអានេះខ្លីជាងអញ្ចឹងយើងបរួញវាទៅបន្តិចទៅខ្សែវាគេធ្វើឲ្យយើងបត់បាន Yes this battery cable it was flexible They now ready install and then we try to test the charger if the connector connect bed connect the charger won't work properly. Yes, now it works properly. Need to screw in. Apple could replace the battery connector on the new iPhone model because it is very difficult for server, yes, for a new server, but for old server, for specific server, it is very easy. But the newer always destroy it. បាទបងប្អូនខ្ញុំនិយាយមិញហ្នឹងថា Apple គួរតែសិក្សាលើទំនរបស់ថ្មនឹងម្ដងទៀតព្រោះថាឃើញថាជាងថ្មីហ្នឹងធ្វើខូចអាទំនថ្មនឹងរហូតតែពេលគាត់ដាក់ហ្នឹងគាត់អត់តម្រង់ឲ្យត្រង់ទេគាត់យកដៃលុញគាត់សង្កត់បញ្ចូលបដ ដល់ពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅជើងថ្មចាប់ពី iPhone 8 មកគឺដូចថា វាមិនស្រួលសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលទៅតែចាប់ផ្ដើមមើលម៉ាស៊ីនវាសកលបើកនឹងចេញឡើងបងឯងខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងទេលោកដាក់ This is the yellow color when we turn the battery cell on, it show like this. We have the option for clear our battery. We can turn to the low battery mode when we travel for long distance, when we unavailable charger, so we turn it to the lower. Bây giờ này dương thơ đầm nai ngay dương đặt mò nó một cành bò lường nó dương xóm dương chay thơ đầm nai tam lâu không còn để anh bò lường nó quyền xóm chay về cắt thôi cầm lăng bỏ về đi chỉ cầm lăng bỏ con cầm lăng ấy chẳng ngày bà lâu rồi rồi lấy đầm bay ra xa ai cho nó thiệp bỏ lốp dương tiền lấy cột lốp ấy tê giờ for the phân đà rô phân đà